Hello guys, my name is Apex, and in today's video we are going to be talking about this one particular airdrop that can put you in a position to earn at least $100 for yourself for free. All you have to do is pay attention to this particular video, follow the exact same steps I'm going to be using in this particular video, and also stay a little bit consistent. You don't have to stay consistent for months and years before you can actually make this particular money we are going to be talking about on this particular airdrop. So guys, all you actually have to do is stay till the end of this video in order to understand every single thing I'm going to be giving on this particular video. And also, if this is actually the first time you are watching any of my videos, please do subscribe to this channel, like this video, and most importantly, click on the bell notification button so that whenever I drop new videos like these, you are not the first people to get a notification about any of my videos. So I'll be doing each and every single process on my phone. So I'm going to put my phone somewhere on this screen in order to show you how to do this particular airdrop in order to stay positioned for this. So it's about the Berachain airdrop, and we are going to be going straight to my phone so you can know what I'm going to be doing on this particular airdrop. So guys, you open up your Binance exchange and you head over to the wallet section. So after heading over to the wallet section, looking up here, you see that you have exchange and Web3. You make sure that you are on the Web3 side of this particular section. So you head over to the Web3, and when you open it, this is how it's going to appear. Now you have to know that if this is actually the first time you are heading over to this Web3 section of your Binance exchange, you are going to have it appear as create a new account or wallet. You have to do to create this new account and back up your 12-word seed phrase, because this 12-word seed phrase is actually going to act as the password to your Binance wallet, your Binance Web3 wallet, and you should keep it down in written form. So do to copy up these 12 words according to the way they are numbered on the Binance application, and also you should pay attention to the capital and the small letters in each of these words. So all you have to do is you copy exactly the same thing you see on the Binance application on a piece of paper and keep it safely in order to avoid losing your funds on this particular wallet. So after doing that, you're going to have your wallet open up like this, and you head over to the discover section. This is where you're going to paste the link. So if you look up here, you see that there is a section called the search dApps or type a URL. So you tap on this section and you paste the link over here. Now I'm going to be leaving this particular link in the description, so do to copy up this link and paste it there in order to get redirected to the website, the official website where this particular tax is going to take place. So after pasting the link, you go ahead to load it up. Okay, so automatically it gets connected, and you can decide to go ahead to back up your wallet. So when you click on backup, you can go ahead to back it up to your Google Drive, or you can back it up with a QR code. Now, leaving all this for now, this is actually how it happens. So after your wallet gets connected, you go ahead to click on claim NFT. I've done mine already, so if you look closely up here, you see that, oops, it looks like you have already claimed. Yes, because that is I've already done mine, so that is why it's actually showing like this. So you go ahead to click on claim NFT, and after that you're going to be done with this particular task. Now you can decide to go ahead to perform more of the tasks over here. That is why the tasks to complete: the faucet, get bearer testnet tokens, swap tokens or provide liquidity, honey, deposit collateral or mint honey, provide liquidity to Berb's vault, provide collateral to borrow honey, and all these other token tags. So you can make time to go ahead and perform at least one or two of these particular tags, and you go ahead to sit down and relax, because you have actually completed every single thing you need to do in order to put yourself in a position to earn from this particular airdrop. So guys, that is all about this particular video today. Do to perform all these tasks and stay safe. Guys, if this is actually the first time you're coming across any of my videos, please do to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most importantly, click on the bell notification button so that whenever I drop new videos like these, you will be the first people to get the notification about any of my videos.